Too often we hear, "I would love to buy an investment property, but my credit is so bad." Close to 1 in 3 Americans have poor credit, so if you're one of them, don't worry. You still have options for investing in real estate. Option number 1, get a hard money loan. Hard money lenders are private individuals or groups who offer short-term loans that are backed by real estate. The best part is that hard money loans can give you funds very quickly, often within days, and that's why so many real estate investors use this source. The majority of the time, hard money lenders only care about one thing: if the deal is a good deal. If the numbers work, they'll more than likely fund the deal, whether you walk in with a 780 credit score or not. Of course, there are a few drawbacks. The interest rates are higher than traditional bank loans, averaging 10 to 15%, and another obstacle is that they may not fully cover the cost of buying the property. These lenders usually lend 65 to 75% of the current value of the property. That leaves you to fund the difference, or find another source of funding to bridge the gap. Another funding source to consider is private money lenders. Private money can come from anyone looking for a return on their investment. This can be anyone from a structured lender to a friend, relative, business partner, or acquaintance. Private money lenders don't abide by a certain set of rules, so repayment terms, interest, and everything else is up for negotiation. If you can show that your deal has value and that you can close quickly and make a profit quickly, private money lenders can overlook dings on your credit report. Option number 3, get a partner. Your partner could be anyone: a friend, relative, colleague, neighbor, or someone you met from a local networking event or Facebook group. Just remember, you want to partner with someone who has excellent credit and can secure funding for your deal. So what can you bring to the table? Perhaps it's your time, your deal-making skills, or another resource. You can work out a 50-50 partnership, so once the deal closes, you split the profits. Option number 4, make the seller the bank. Seller financing is a strategy best utilized for properties that are fully owned and paid off. If a seller doesn't need quick cash from the sale of their home, then this strategy could be a great option. When the seller finances the deal, they basically become the bank. In other words, you essentially have a mortgage with the seller. With these agreements, the seller allows you to make monthly payments until you pay off the property or the term of the loan ends. So what are the benefits of seller financing? Little to no qualifying, negotiable terms, credit not a factor, flexibility to meet needs, and very low closing costs. For example, a retiree may love the idea of getting a set of monthly payments for their home. Likewise, a landlord may want to unload a property without getting out of the market completely. In both cases, a seller financing agreement could satisfy all sides, helping you build capital and credit along the way. Option number 5, consider wholesaling. Wholesaling is a common first step for new real estate investors. This approach doesn't require you to fund anything, so your credit score often makes zero difference. So how does real estate wholesaling work? Well, first you find a home for sale that you can pick up at a discount. Step 2, sign a contract with the seller for, say, $75,000 as an example. Step 3, you find a buyer and you flip that contract to them for, say, $85,000. The buyer then brings the $85,000 to the closing table, where $75,000 goes to the seller and $10,000 goes to you. The seller's happy because he sold the property. The buyer's happy because he got a great property at a great price, and you are definitely happy because you pocketed $10,000 simply for putting the deal together. One of the best things about real estate investing is that it's open to everyone. You don't have to have millions in the bank or a good credit score. Get creative, make connections, and focus on finding the funding to close deals without good credit. Good luck!